we are on the way to go pick up the transmission for the 335. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and just swap it out now. I did order one off eBay. It's gonna be here in a week. So if you guys want a 6-speed auto trans, swipe up, let me know. Or if this one that I'm going to buy right now is junk, then fuck it. Oh, holy shit. But it shouldn't be. But yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see how this goes. Oh, this trans is so bad. Alrighty, so we are at a undisclosed location. They sell BMW parts, it seems.
Hit the trap like Max, yeah. Hit the trap like Max. Hit the trap like Max, yeah. Hit the trap like Max, ayy. Hit the trap like Max, yeah. Hit the trap like Max, ayy. Hit the trap like Max, ayy. No, I ain't finessing the pack, ayy. No, I'm gonna make it right back, yeah. 100K right in my bag, ayy. Take a vacation, relax.
Yeah.
Ooh, that manifold alone is freaking crazy.
Yeah, that's like a $4,000
Look
manifold.
at the turbos. Okay,
Yeah.
not 4,000, like maybe 2,000.
But it's discontinued.
resale. Yeah. I know how long I've been looking for one. I've been looking for the longest time.
And then it's got a tile with a full custom charge pipe as well. I do YouTube if you don't mind.
That's cool.
But yeah, of course the leaky power steering.
He did the OEM coolant relocation.
Yep, diesel.
335D. You got the catch.
Yeah, M-Tech front bumper and rear bumper.
The cowls, man.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks ugly, but the rain keeps going into 6 and 5, cylinder 6 and 5.
Yeah, right now cylinder 4 is misfiring.
Yeah, these are kind of ratchet. These
Yeah.
don't work as good. They sell the other ones. It looks like silver from Turner. I think it's like $300. Looks a lot cleaner too.
Yeah, I'm about to go swap out the transmission right now.
You got powder coat, everything. You gotta get an M18.
Yeah, MAT or the VTT. VTT is pretty good. You don't like them?
They're a dropship brand.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool. If you came to me like 2 weeks ago, I would have had a single turbo kit. Doc Race.
Oh, I could
matched
have.
it.
Yeah, I could have matched.
I sold like 2 kits in the last 2
even-
months. So what you need is an M3 cluster. No, seriously, M3 cluster.
I know, you know ball, bro.
But buy one and then you send it over to N54.
And comfort access.
Oh no, that's gonna be a pain to. Oh, it has comfort access.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's sweet. Yeah, M3 cluster, M3 rear end. Put some M3 wheels.
BMW is different. You can open these while hot.
Yeah, but you gotta ease it out.
Not too bad.
Turner sells a aluminum tank. I had one, but I'm not sure if it'll fit the charge.
Yeah, I don't think
That's a
so.
hard fit.
Yeah, and it's quick unload.
That's insane. Where the hell? This guy put money into the car. Does
Bro,
it have
yeah.
port?
Yeah, PI's all hooked up.
PI and PI?
Yeah, the port injection's working. The rail's in there.
Yeah.
And it's JB4 back end. Well, I think I found my new best friends. See you back at the shop, yes sir.
Interior, that shit all red. You should better tech, won't see the red. I got a tech one in the head. Got so much ice, I need a sled.
Alrighty, so as you can see, there's been some things that have gone on. Here's the 335 in not all of its glory. It could be looking better, but it has a new transmission, or new to me transmission in it. And Colby is down there knocking out the rest of it. Let's get a peace sign, dude. Bro does not enjoy this as much as I don't enjoy it. So what we did was took out the used mechatronics out of the used transmission and put in the mechatronics from my old transmission that unfortunately failed. What this means is no more programming is needed. So I avoided programming and I'm tired. And yeah, so should be plug and play, hypothetically. Who knows how true that is. And I think the old torque converter was burnt out as well. It's still super hot. Like, it's still warm as of right now. The old transmission isn't even warm. So I think that was also a part of it. I think it had torque converter shutter. So if anyone wants to buy this built trans, let me know. It will be up for sale. Ion's back, so should be more content. I already told him Kobe's here. I did my checkup, but like 10 minutes ago. Alrighty. Transmission is in the car. Should be mucho bueno. Gonna drive it home, but take it easy. And then tomorrow, gonna put it on the lift and fill it up the rest of the way. But yeah, kaboom. So as you guys saw in the last clip, I did finish up the transmission. We are currently about to detail the car. It is beyond filthy. It looks like a barn find right now.
You know that I'm getting them racks. I'm moving finesse in the back. 100K right in my back. I take a vacay and relax. Hey, Dolly. Oh, hey, Dolly. It's like, Dolly, I'm back. And I know dog, I'm back. And I know dog, I'm back. Bitch, we ain't have no rest. And I know Dolly, I'm back. And I know dog, I'm back. And I know dog, I'm back. Bitch, we ain't have no rest.
So we got the new trans in. We got the car detailed, the whole inside as well. Ion did a great job. If you guys need any details, hit me up in my DMs. We will get you right.
Mix the walk up with my Sprite, turn it gelinade. Too many bitches in my line, I need some pepper spray. Me and Esther in the cut, the coochie's having me. I'm smoking backwards, I'm rolling backwards like that wedding cake. Who you got a pub, but what the fuck you got? Is it Cali, is it in? What's that walk you got? Kissing Mary Jane, bitch she love me, now we smoke dark pebbles. And we smoke on all the Scotty rocks.